Okay, just popped back down to Ben's and we're going to be sticking the vinyls that we've cut onto the side of the car. And Ben's just removing the exhaust so we can run the vinyl over the hole, cut it back. I'm not going to pretend I know what I'm doing with this stuff, but James has given me a bumper starter pack with all the magnets, knives, application fluid, and I've got 2 of everything, so if I cock it up then I'll be able to take 2 and have another go. Got the Action Man utility belt. Look at this. This is genuinely all the gear and no idea. So that's all the side stripes done, sun strip, although we might have to revisit that because it went a bit funny in the corners. Yeah man, that looks wicked. Just down at Powell's again, using the old trusty bowl selector and just polishing up some heat shields for Ben's Fiesta. So that one's going to obviously go round the exhaust, and then you've got the wheel arch over here, and hopefully that bit will kind of bodge onto the wheel arch with a couple of pop rivets. But yeah, I'm just going to give them a quick once over the mop so they're looking fresh. So back down at Ben's and the car is finally up and running. I filmed it last time we came down and stuck all the stickers on, but since then you got it running, it's all been mapped. Unveiled it at Classic Ford Show and you've just been putting miles on it. It's all been run-in now.
Yeah.
And it made, what was it, 520?
So 526.8 brake.
526.8, which is exactly what you need in a car like this. It's savage. And yeah, so I didn't really show the exhaust that Zach finished off, all out the side. Because I stopped filming when I left him to weld all that up, so that's all on. And the heat shield down the side. That actually fitted quite well, the roll bit. I was a bit unsure about that. But I've just come back to bang a sun strip on the front. A white one, because we put a black one on before. We're going to do a white one. Then we've got the old Autoflock Motorsport logo. But yeah, just going to put this sun strip on. I'm digging the fans. Is that your aircon?
Yeah, it's aircon.
Is it hot in there, I take it?
Yeah, quite warm, mate.
How hot was it with the bike engine in it?
Not as hot as it is now.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I suppose you have got like a turbo.
Yeah.
Literally about 2 inches away from your back. It's on, was it 4 or 5 settings?
Yeah.
On the ECE?
Yeah. From 320 brake minimum to 520 brake maximum.
And the 320 is
Minimum.
yeah,
It's
that's
just
scary.
too much, Yeah. You'll see later. Mate.
Yeah, we'll go out in it in a bit. Just got to stick this sun strip on and we'll go and take it for a little rip round the block. Just going to go for a little rip round the block in it. Ready? Let's take this in because it's probably going to fall out the phone holder. I definitely want to be strapped in.
knew this was going to be a death trap. I knew it was going to be a death trap. Just realised how much you got to clear all that rubber out the back now because you haven't got any wheel arches yet. So that's good. This is getting used and abused, which is what it's all about. And when you first bought it with the bike engine in, and you started driving it like you drive it, it all started cracking bits and breaking bits. At least this hopefully should be a bit more man enough to hold out when you give it some stick. It's like you can still feel it breaking traction even when it's accelerating. Is the GoPro still on? Yeah. And now I know why you got the fans in there. It's so hot. I know now why you got the fans in there because it's so hot. It's like the back of your seat. It's like a heated seat from the turbo. You're still not running a filter on it.
Sorry?
You're not running a filter on it still.
What, air filter?
Air filter, yeah.
No. I need to sit that.
You need to put a big one. Stick it up here or something.
Yeah. Think it'd be too hot.
Probably, you probably need another duct to feed the turbo. I still think if you can try and hook it up to that.
Yeah, well, I've got the pipe work. I need to bend it or
Tweak it round.
tweak it around a little bit.
Yeah, man. No, I'll be honest. I'm well impressed. How much rubber did you flick up inside? It's not too bad. That was a smouldering burnout as well. You did. Did you get it in second gear?
Yeah.
Wicked. Oh, so he's redone all these steering arms.
Yeah, had it all strengthened, new bottom arms, got rid of the ball joint at the bottom, had them strengthened. But,
And then he put in all this as well, didn't he?
Yeah.
Was that the Absolute Customs fella?
Yeah. Down to the wear markers already. Already done 500 miles.
Wow. Yeah, these are much better, aren't they? A bit more robust than the last ones. Otherwise, the last ones are kind of flapping around everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, it does look good. I'm well impressed. I'm well impressed with A, how fast it is, and B, how well it actually works. This feels, although it feels sketchy in terms of you've just got way too much power, in my opinion, it still feels like semi-usable. Or semi-predictable, maybe is the right way to say it. No, I'm impressed.
Definitely gets your heart racing.
Yeah.
Glad that you've reworked the gears as well, because if you'd have gone for 15s to try and sort out the gearing issue, just don't think it'd have looked as cool.
No, I do love the wheels.
Yeah,
We'll get them refurbed.
the 13s are where it's at. Cool, let's go and tuck it away before someone gets hurt. I'll message Zach in a sec and be like, mate, we all got to put engines in the back.
Cool.
Cool, nice one, Ben.
Right.
Thanks again for the roller coaster ride. I'll catch up with you later. Take it easy. Proper death trap. So just got back from Ben's and you can see for yourself that car is pretty insane. Hats off to him because he's obviously persevered with it. He's had some problems along the way and he's managed to sort of work through it, keep enthusiastic with it, and I think it's really paid off. The car goes like stink, and that's just on the low mat, on the stage 1 setting. Yeah, I'd really dread to think what it's like with the full 500 horsepower plus. Ben's car's going to also have a full feature in Classic Ford magazine, up and coming Classic Ford magazine, so make sure you check out that, and that'll obviously give you a bit more technical information and story behind why he built it. I don't think Ben even knows himself why he's built that car, but anyway. Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoy this sort of content, and check out the Big Cartel site for all my merchandise. Again, that helps support the channel and what I'm trying to do here. And again, thanks again for watching. Until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Take it easy.